Hello, hello, this is the circus. Vamos a ver algunas actividades que podemos desarrollar cuando vamos a divertirnos en el circo. The circus. Here we can watch doing handstand. Handstand. The clown is doing handstand. El payasito está haciendo esta actividad. Pararse sobre sus manitas. Doing handstand. Doing handstand. Handstand. The clown is doing juggling. Juggling. The clown is doing juggling. Juggling. This is somersault. Somersault. Doing somersault. It's very funny. Somersault. Riding a horse. Riding a horse. I like riding a horse. Riding a horse. So we have handstand, handstand, juggling, somersault, riding a horse. Now, here we have the activity is missing one. Una falta. What is missing? ¿Cuál de las actividades falta? We have juggling, somersault, riding a horse. What is missing? What is missing? Handstand. Handstand. Okay, handstand. Now, what is missing? What is missing? ¿Cuál falta? We have juggling, handstand, somersault, and is missing riding a horse. Riding a horse. Riding a horse. Now, what is missing? What is missing? We have riding a horse, somersault, handstand, and is missing juggling. Juggling is missing. Juggling. Now, what is missing? We have juggling, handstand, riding a horse, and is missing somersault. Very good. Somersault. Juggling, handstand, somersault, riding a horse. All of these activities, we can do it in the circus. In the circus. Now, this is the activity in the book. In the book, page 145. Página 145. Here we have the activity. Vamos a ubicar cada una de estas acciones en la imagen correspondiente. Number 1, riding a horse. Riding a horse. ¿Cuál es la imagen del número 1? Riding a horse. This one. She is riding a horse. She is riding a horse. This one. Riding a horse. Riding a horse. Number 2. Doing a somersault. Doing a somersault. ¿Quién está haciendo? ¿Quién va a hacer voltearetas? Somersault. He is doing a somersault. Number 2 here. Here, number 2. Somersault. Somersault. Number 3. Doing a handstand. Doing a handstand. Number 3, ¿cuál es la imagen? This one. He is doing a handstand. Doing a handstand. Handstand. And the last one, number 4, juggling. Juggling. This one, they are juggling, doing juggling. Juggling. Number 4, this one, juggling. Riding a horse, doing a somersault, doing a handstand, doing juggling. In the circus. In the circus. This is the activity. Please color. Cuando ubiquemos cada numerito, vamos a colorear. Color the circus. Here, riding the horse. Here, doing a somersault. In the handstand. Here, where we buy tickets. All of this. Color the drawing. And that's it. This is the activity.